horsepower Corolla FX16. The FX16 also sports 16 valves on its 1.6-liter motor. It turns out 108 horsepower and only 96 pound-feet of torque.
Back at it again. Sorry I didn't get to film the part where I took apart all the holes and the AC lines and all that type of stuff, but you know, that's easy. That was already hanging there, so it's not that much complication to get that out. I left some of the stuff in here for now. I mean, the fuel filter, I don't have to move that now because I don't think that's going to interfere with me putting in the engine. The rack and pinion, I need to leave that in place because I got to see what kind of clearance issue I'm going to have with that. But as far as everything else would, you know, can stay in place for now. The battery tray, unfortunately, I don't have the I didn't bring with me the spot weld drill bits to take that out, and I don't want to cut it out because I want to take it out so it can, you know, look nice and professional. Yeah, but pretty much what's left on this is maybe just pressure wash it and, you know, make it look nice and clean. I don't like to work with greasy stuff anyway, so I'm gonna clean it up first before I officially start making the mounts and get everything going. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put the engine under the car just to see what kind of spacing and stuff we're gonna have, and then we can go from there. So I have the engine here on the floor already. I went ahead and bolted the transmission to the engine, as you can see there. So I guess let me go up with the car, slide it up onto the car, and I'll see if I can manage to jack it up into place and maybe prop it up with something so we can see what kind of clearance we're gonna have in this. Guys, this has never been done. I don't think there's nobody that done this swap on the FX16. So, and these cars are pretty rare, so you know, these cars have been around for a long time. Alright, so let me try and slide this engine up onto the car and we'll see what we got. Okay guys, so here we go. The engine is up under the car. Fortunately, I had to put the camera down so to use my two hands and slide the engine under the car, so I wasn't able to film that. But alright, let's come down with the lift now and see what we got. Pull up. Not easy working by yourself. Alright, still having enough spacing. Make sure I'm not gonna touch, like the engine might have to slide out a little bit. Do that. Alright. Looks a little bit better. Some more. The manifold touched against the radiator support thing here. Move that out the way. Man, as you can see guys, this is looking good already. Looks like it's made to be in here. Alright, so let's come on some more. Engine can probably go that far forward some more. Push it forward. Alright, let's come down some more now. Okay. Like she can go somewhere over that side some more. Pull it back this way some. Alright. Now, like she's fitting real nice already, man. So this is gonna be an easy transition for this bracket and make the mount come up and probably come into that. We're gonna see if we can reuse the stock Toyota mount brackets. As far as the transmission is a close shot too. It looks like it's not gonna be too much of a problem. I don't think I have to put a back mount, but I'll put a back mount. I'll figure it out somewhere. The back mount is going to be the most difficult part because now I need to make it to where it has to fit around the rocking pinion. But yeah, I'm happy how it's coming out already. As you can see, we have enough space for the axles to pass through and go through the hubs. Sorry about the light, guys. You know what? Let me get my flashlight out so we can see a little bit better. Right. Yeah, we can get a straight shot. Yeah, it shouldn't be much of a problem. This battery tray that I said I might have to remove, this almost can stay right here. But now I'm gonna take it out. But yeah. You know what, guys, let me put the camera down and try to jack the engine up in the base so we can get a better look how everything's gonna turn out. So be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so finally got the engine in. You know, sorry I wasn't able to film the process of putting the engine in, but I'm here by myself, so I had to put the camera down and, you know, set this thing up so I can get it in. For right now, I just have the jack holding it in place inside the engine bay. But man, this thing is, look how, this is incredible. Look how close the mounts are already to where I have to fabricate and make new mounts. This thing looks like it's made for this car, man. It's incredible how close everything is lining up already. Look at that, straight shot to this mount. I might not even have to move that bracket after all. You can see back here, plenty of space by the rocking pinion. Straight shot to the hubs for the axles. So yeah, this is looking really good. This is gonna be an easy conversion. Alright, so the next step is this engine's gonna come back out, and now I'm gonna start cleaning everything up and start making the mounts, and we'll go from there. There's plenty of space for the turbo manifold for the back. There's at least 3 to 4 inches in the back here for the turbo manifold to come in. I'm gonna bring the turbo all the way up to the side right here in the front. I have plenty of space right here for the radiator, and of course I'm gonna keep my AC. Guys, if you build a car that don't have AC, it's not a car. So yeah, it's looking good, looking promising. Everything is gonna fit up the way it should be, and this thing will be out on the road making tons of power in no time.
Our existence is something that is spontaneous. Your hair grows by itself. Your heart beats by itself. You breathe pretty much by itself. You don't have voluntary control of these things. So we say it happens spontaneously. Try to breathe real hard. You find you get balled up. Gotta let go.